of the best things that you can do for yourself is just to start. Just start. I feel like I have been telling myself this exact same advice every single day. 40s, I feel I have this tightness like in my chest or in my heart saying like, you need to take and you need to create a page about self-improvement and self-development, self-talk, having a positive mental attitude, and how that can impact and change not just your life but other people's lives. I want to create this YouTube channel, especially in your 30s or late 30s and 40s, especially in your 40s. You have this belief that you can't do it and you're just stuck in your ways. That is a complete lie. You are able to completely transform. You are able to completely change yourself. You're able to show up as your true self, but it just takes one day at a time. It works. You can't become the version that you want to be. Well, you can, but it's very difficult for a lot of people to become the version that they want to be at this exact moment. But I'm telling one little step, one little shift, one little change every single day, you're going to get closer and closer to that version that you keep imagining, that version that you want to see every day. That's all it is. It just is like that one step. I'm going to give you guys 3 things that I do personally every single day, and some things that I'll do when I need it to be able to remind myself of like not just my goal but who I am, and my confidence up. It is really difficult for me to come on camera. I don't know. It's just really hard for me to show up. And so today I told myself I was going to show up, and especially before the November the 1st, because today's October the 31st. And I also told myself I'm going to show up without any makeup, without looking fancy. It's just going to be raw and it's going to be me. And that's what you're getting. I'm hoping that this page is that, right? Is that I take away all of the pressure that is there and that I just show up as myself, like as if like you're just chatting. Like that's what I want this to be. And so it doesn't matter how old you are. I really hope that you specifically with whatever it is that you're going through. Let me just jump into the 3 things that I personally do, and this is how I was able to get my habits going again. I was able to create good habits. Slowly I can see that I'm becoming the version of myself that I truly like want to express. So the first thing is self-talk. Self-talk is one of the most powerful tools, one of the most powerful techniques that you can use. And it goes beyond just saying, oh, I am amazing, oh, I am great. You have to like couple it with emotions and feelings. So ask yourself, when was the time that you felt so amazing, right? And couple that feeling. When was the time you felt so confident, and couple that emotion with that statement. And it is repetition. The easiest ways that you can repeat self-talk to yourself, this is what I did, is I made sure that I had it like on my phone. Like whenever I open my phone or whenever I look at my phone, I see these self-talk affirmations so that I'm able to repeat it, or you can set like an alarm system. And trust me, like don't sleep on this technique. Because if you do this just for like 30-40 days of every day, once or twice or three times or as many times as you want, you're going to slowly start to change and kind of like be like, wow, who was that, last month? And like you're gonna be a different person. The second thing that I would do is if you haven't done this already, start getting into journaling, but journal in a way that only highlights all of the great things, the things that you're grateful for. So it's like a gratitude journal, because you're going to start seeing all the beautiful things happening in your life. The third way is that I like to say it is like start doing something that you love to do, right? Just start doing something that you love to do. If you like to color, if you like to do art, if you like to go dancing, if whatever it is, just start doing that. And in our 40s, it's like you get so busy with life and you leave out on the things that you love to do. So start doing that. Going out for a nice walk, putting on a nice little bit dressed up, just start doing it. I really hope this was helpful, and I really hope to continue to share what I can. I'm just gonna come to you guys as real and as authentic as as I am, because that's what this channel is. And so I really hope you can join me. Definitely shout out to Dodash, because she is the reason why I am literally creating content like this, because she just said, just come out and do it. And I said, okay, I'm gonna do it. And so I really hope you guys can join me on this journey, and just subscribe down below. So what do you want to hear? What do you guys want to talk about? I've been through a lot. I've been through a lot in my life, and the fact that like I have a smile on my face, and things just get better at the end. They get better as long as you expect it to get better. That's how it's gonna end. There's a lot of crazy stuff going on in the world, but make sure you take care of your mind, make sure you take care of your heart, and just keep moving forward. I think that is it for my first video. I'm excited to see where this is gonna go. So subscribe, join, and thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.